Really? So the thing you guys are not getting through video, one is sense of scale and distance is never conveyed well through video. That all that flat area got carved out by the Missouri River, and I've been here before when most of that flat area was underwater, including all those farms, all that. So another thing you guys aren't getting is the smell of all these prairie flowers that are blooming. There's some flowering trees and bushes around. You guys aren't smelling that either, but, and I'm sorry to disappoint you, but I'm not walking that in full motorcycle gear today. I'll show you the GPS coordinates for this if you'd like to come out here and see it for yourself sometime. I hate people sometimes. Most of the time I hate people. Not sometimes, most of the time. If anybody knows what those things are, let me know. I've never seen those before. I've seen this plant before, but I didn't know they had like a fruit or something. Huh. Try not to step on anything. These, a free ride to the next gas station.